night, everyone.
It's Wednesday, February 20th here in Korea, and I'm Kwon So-hwa with the latest on the weather. It looks like winter wants to stay with us a little longer. We'll have another drop in temperatures today, or more specifically during the morning, it'll be colder than Tuesday. However, when we think of what we dealt with earlier in the season, it's nothing. So let's just stay bright and happy, and we will actually have bright sunny skies again, as you can see on our chart here as well. Now in Daegu and other places in North Gyeongsang Province, meanwhile, dry air advisories are in effect, so please be careful with anything that could burn. Now temperature-wise, Seoul falls to -8 degrees overnight. Down south, you'll also start off in the negatives. Now, and an around 10-degree jump can be expected later on, with the capital hitting the freezing point, Daegu and Gwangju 4 and Busan 7. And let's take it over to other places. A big gap in lows and highs in Daejeon too. Jeju Island stays in the positives throughout the day, but Mount Kumgang plunges to -17 degrees. Now, the mountainous regions in Gangwon Province, meanwhile, are under cold wave alert, so if you're in those places, dress extra warm. And for those watching from other parts of the world, let's see if it's cold or hot in some major travel destinations. Starting off with Asia, it's warming up in Beijing, drying up in Tokyo. Islamabad and New Delhi should be sunny and warm, both topping out at 23 degrees, but during the night and mornings, it'll be slightly cooler in Islamabad. Beginning Wednesday, you'll have to deal with a couple of thunderstorms down in Manila. Down under, you'll have some of those in Sydney this Wednesday. Now, those in Perth, hope you found a way to fight the heat, because it's gonna be another blistering hot one. And moving on to a wintry continent where flurries and snow showers are in the picture in Montreal. Now, temperatures drop a little bit too. Cold in Chicago with a high of -4, better in Washington, D.C. at +4. Mexico City makes it to the high 20s with plenty of sunshine. Similarly warm in South America's Lima, very, very hot in Rio de Janeiro. Now nearby in Sao Paulo, you'll have a mix of sun, clouds, but also scattered thunderstorms. And it'll be a little windy again in Santiago. Switching over to a colder continent and to one of the coldest spots, which will be Moscow, staying way below the freezing point again. Overcast skies should dominate in Paris, crystal clear ones in Rome, along with mild temperatures. And finally, in Africa, it's warming up in Tripoli this Wednesday, making it as warm as Dakar and Addis Ababa. Now, nearly 10 degrees cooler in Algiers, with a fair amount of clouds. And that's the forecast for now. In whichever part of the world you are, have a great day or night.
That's Late Night Edition at this hour. I'm Sean Lim. Thanks for watching.